Yes, children. Now identify which one is oxidation process and which one is reduction process. Right? On the basis of reaction with oxygen or elimination of oxygen, or reaction with hydrogen or elimination of hydrogen. One more possibility, reaction with more electronegative element or elimination of electronegative element. Okay. Now first is MgO. First one, decomposition of magnesium oxide into magnesium and oxygen is elimination of oxygen. Right? This is reduction. Opposite of oxidation. Magnesium reacts with chlorine. Chlorine is more electronegative. This one is oxidation. Reaction of chlorine with hydrogen is reduction of chlorine into HCl, hydrogen chloride. Right? And reverse of this is oxidation. Decomposition of HCl into H2 gas and chlorine gas is oxidation. Decomposition of HCl, just reverse of this. Here is oxidation, here is reduction process. Okay children. Now next is types of redox reaction. On the basis of type of reaction, whether reaction is combination, decomposition, displacement, redox reactions are classified into 4 categories. First is combination redox reaction. Combination means addition, reaction between two reactants and formation of one product. Right? For example, C plus O2. Well known example, CO2. Combustion of carbon into carbon dioxide gas. This is some type of reaction. Combustion is exothermic process. Now, on the basis of electron transfer, exchange of electrons, decrease or increase in oxidation number, identify which reactant is oxidized. Elemental form, oxidation number is 0. Elemental form, oxidation number is 0. In product side, this is combined form CO2, oxidation number is +4 and oxidation number of single oxygen is -2. Total negative charge is -4. What is the difference? From 0 to +4. Carbon is oxidized. And from 0 to -2, oxygen is reduced. Right? What is the type of this redox process, redox reaction? Combination redox reaction. Okay children, 0 to +4 is oxidation and 0 to -2 is reduction, and combined reaction is redox. Right? Next is decomposition reaction. Decomposition, electrolytic decomposition, thermal decomposition, photochemical decomposition. For example, second is decomposition. Example of decomposition reaction, redox, is HCl, 2HCl decomposed to this. HCl molecule is decomposed into H2 and Cl2. Right? This is combined form. Oxidation number of single hydrogen is +1. Chlorine -1. In product side, 0 elemental form and this one is 0. Which one is increased? From -1 to 0 is increased. Which one is decreased? From +1 to 0 is decreased. Right? Which element is oxidized? Chlorine. From -1 to 0. This is oxidation. And which one is reduced? Hydrogen. From +1 to 0. And combined form is decomposition redox reaction. Right? Third type is displacement. Displacement of metal and displacement of non-metal. You know meaning of displacement? One element is displaced by another element, right? But here is displacement of metal and non-metal in two different reactions. First is displacement of metal. Displacement of metal. Zn plus copper sulfate. Aqueous solution. Zn aqueous plus copper. Right? On the basis of electron exchange, decrease and increase in oxidation number. Combined. This is elemental form and combined form 0. Combined form, zinc oxidation number is +2. Copper is combined form, oxidation number is +2. Here oxidation number is 0. Elemental or uncombined form is 0. Zinc oxidized from 0 to +2. This is oxidation. And copper sulfate is reduced from +2 to 0. This part is reduction. And combined net reaction is displacement redox reaction. Here is displacement of one metal by another metal. This displacement is based on displacement of metal, right? Second is displacement of non-metal. Displacement of non-metal. For example, reaction of highly reactive metal, potassium, sodium with water. And formation of alkaline solution and hydrogen gas. Sodium plus water, NaOH plus H2. Now write balanced form, twice. 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. Total 4 hydrogen, 2 plus 2, 4. Oxygen, 2 balanced. 2 sodium, balanced. Right? Here is displacement of hydrogen, which is non-metal by metal. Displacement of non-metal. Now net reaction is redox reaction. Oxidation number 0. Here is +1. Increase in oxidation number is oxidation. Sodium metal oxidized to sodium hydroxide. This one is oxidation. And hydrogen combined form. Oxidation number of single hydrogen is +1. From +1 to 0. Decrease in oxidation number is always reduction. From +1 to 0. Okay children, sodium is oxidized into sodium hydroxide and water is reduced to hydrogen gas. 2 plus 2 to 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen. Okay, this is balanced equation. Now fourth category is disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation, it means same element is oxidized and reduced. Oxidation and reduction of same element in product side is called disproportionation. Disproportionation. Disproportionation, right? Disproportionation, for example, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is unstable at normal temperature, this room temperature. What happens? Auto decomposition occurs. Self decomposition into water and oxygen. Balance state 2 and 2. 2 to 4, 2 to 4, balanced. Oxygen 4, oxygen 2 plus 2, 4. This is balanced. Now, same element is oxidized as well as reduced, right? Hydrogen peroxide, in peroxide oxidation state, oxidation number of oxygen is always -1, state is negative. Oxidation number is 1, and in combined form is -2. This is combined form, O is attached with hydrogen. This is uncombined form, oxidation number is 0. From -1 to 0 is oxidation. Increase in oxidation number is oxidation. And decrease in oxidation number from -1 to -2 is reduction. Right? And net reaction is redox. Oxidation half plus reduction half. But this is different type. Same element is oxidized and reduced in product cycle. Right? Valencies are different. -2 valency, more negative reduction. From -1 to 0, increase in oxidation number. This is oxidation. And combined reaction is disproportionation reaction.